Recline and relax. This short practice will help you relax and unwind. Find a comfortable surface and come onto your back. Legs extended out, hands resting comfortably on your belly. Take a few deep, easy breaths. And then inhale, stretch the arms overhead, stretch through the fingertips, stretch through your toes, get long. Exhale, pull your knees in towards your chest, hug them in close. Inhale, stretch long, reaching through the fingertips, reaching through the toes, pressing out through the heels. Exhale, pull your knees in towards your chest, hug them in close. Inhale and stretch long, extending through the fingertips, reach through the toes. And exhale, hug your knees in again, rounding the back. Inhale, stretch long, stretch the side body, stretch to the armpits. And exhale, hug your knees in close. Lower your feet flat on the floor, knees are bent. And let's take a knee to the chest stretch, bringing the right knee in toward the chest, left leg is extended out along the floor. Hug your knee in close. Breath is easy, breath is smooth. Stretching through the lower back. And then gently press your right shin into your hands. Don't move anywhere, but just create a little bit of action there, and you'll feel the backs of the hips spread a little bit wider. Then bring your forehead up towards your right knee, tucking the chin, stretching the neck, release your head back down. Hold on to your right knee with your left hand, right arm out to the side like a T, and bring your right knee across the body and towards the ground on the left. Look right, wringing out the spine. Nice twist. Breath is easy, breath is smooth. Inhale, come back to center. Hold on to your right knee with your right hand, left arm out to the side like a T, and bring your right knee out to the right side. Keep the left hip firmly into the floor. Inhale, come back to center. And release your right foot down. Switch sides, so bend your left leg. Stretch the right leg out. Left knee comes to the chest. Hug it in close. Stretching the lower back. And then gently press your left shin into your hands. Don't let your leg move anywhere. Just create a little bit of traction here to open the back of the hip. And relax that effort. Exhale and bring your forehead up towards your knee. Back of the neck is long. Releasing your head back down. Hold on to your left knee with your right hand, left arm out to the side like a T. Bring your left leg across your body and towards the floor on the right. Look left. Gentle twist for the spine. Breath is easy, breath is smooth. Inhale, bring your leg back to center. Hold on to your left knee with your left hand, right arm out to the side like a T. Bring your left leg out to the left. Right side of the body firmly moving into the ground. Opening the left hip and groin. Inhaling, coming back to center. And exhale, stretch your leg out. And then let's stretch the outer hip, so bend your knees, feet flat on the floor, extend your right leg up into the air and cross your right ankle over your left knee. Reach around behind the left leg and hug the left knee towards your chest. Some of you who are more flexible may want to place your hands on your left shin. But if you can't do that, that's perfectly fine. Just hold on where it's comfortable for you, feeling the stretch in the outer right hip and buttock. Breath is easy, breath is smooth. And then releasing, feet back down to the ground, and check the second side. Left leg extends up, cross the left ankle over the right knee. Hold on behind the right leg, hugging the knees in towards your chest. For those of you who are more flexible, you may want to hold on to the right shin, stretching the outer left hip and buttock. Letting the backs of the hips sink down into the floor, creating space in the outer hip. And then gently release, feet back to the floor. Have your feet about hips distance apart, arms are at your sides, and we'll take bridge pose. So on an inhalation, lifting your spine away from the floor, one vertebra at a time to come up to the shoulders. Tuck your chin, back of the neck is long, gaze at your heart. And then as you exhale, slowly roll your spine back down onto the floor, one vertebra at a time, releasing. And we'll come up again, inhaling and lifting the tailbone and then the spine away from the floor, one vertebra at a time. Lifting with the buttocks, pressing the hips high, chin is down, back of the neck is long, gazing at your heart. Breath is easy, breath is smooth. And exhaling, rolling your spine back down onto the floor, one vertebra at a time. Inhaling and coming up one more time. Lift the tailbone, spine peels away from the floor. Jaw is relaxed, eyes soft, gazing at your heart. And exhaling, slowly coming back down, one vertebra at a time. Releasing. Bring your arms out to your sides like a T. Bring your knees in towards your chest, and we'll take a twist to wring out the spine. So as you exhale, both knees come towards the right, coming all the way down to the floor. Look left. Inhale, bring the knees to center. And we'll take the second side, knees go left, head turned to the right, wringing out the spine. You can let the legs come all the way down to the floor if it's appropriate for you. Inhale the legs back to center. Again, bringing the knees to the right and looking left, gentle twist. Inhale, knees come to center and to the left. As you exhale, release the legs to the floor. Turn to look to the right. Gentle twist for the spine. Inhale, let the legs come to center. And exhale, bring your feet to the floor. Arms move to your sides. Stretch your legs out if you'd like. You can also keep your knees bent if it's appropriate for you. Take a few gentle, slow breaths and feel your entire body sink into the floor, letting everything go.